What's up guys, this is Stephen Malin, music composer for the screen, helping you to build a music business that supports your family. Welcome to my course, Video Game Music, the Complete Composer's Guide. In 2017, this was my second Udemy course, and it quickly became a hit among all of my students. In this updated 2020 version of the course, I've removed all outdated information and replaced it with hours of bonus content to better tackle more intermediate and advanced topics, including how to compose in famous game composer styles, such as Nobuo Uematsu's Final Fantasy series and Koji Kondo's Legend of Zelda series. I've also added a business section at the end, learn how to earn your first dollars and grow a music business as a game composer. The bulk of the core content that made this course so successful is still here, and will teach you the fundamentals you need to write music for video games. The main focus of this course is to write video game music for every console generation, from retro 8-bit games to modern consoles. How to compose in all game genres, including action, adventure, RPG, strategy, etc. And perhaps the most useful, the ability to write in middleware, software like Fmod Studio, Elias Studio, Wise, and how to program this music into the Unity game engine, which is arguably the most important skill you can have as a composer in 2020. The only prerequisite for this course is that you have access to a Mac or a PC with a digital audio workstation, or a DAW, which is basically just music software that allows us to input notes and produce the music. But don't worry if you don't have access to that just yet, because we're going to be talking about some free software that you can use throughout this course. I look forward to connecting with you inside. See you soon.